A clean factory environment and the efficient handling of process waste are factors of paramount importance in today's manufacturing industries. Companies invest heavily in state-of-the-art processing equipment in order to maintain a competitive edge. However, they often overlook the need to efficiently handle the process waste generated by such equipment. Kongskilde Industries is the market leader in process waste handling for the paper, plastic and packaging industries. Kongskilde was established in 1949 by two friends who'd made their first grain blower. Since 1959, Kongskilde has developed and produced pneumatic conveying systems for industrial applications. A key product is the extensive range of Kongskilde OK piping, which ensures flexibility and ease of installation in the existing floor plan. The Kongskilde multi-air high-pressure blower is the heart in any Kongskilde solution. The modular design and a remarkably low noise level allows the multi-air to be placed inside the production area. Each multi-air is carefully assembled, tested and packed to guarantee the high quality that we demand. In the design phase, Kongskilde works closely with the customer using the latest AutoCAD technology to ensure the most efficient and user-friendly system layout. Customer satisfaction is clearly demonstrated by the numerous Kongskilde installations, contributing daily to the improved handling of industrial waste all over the world. At Tetra Pak, one of the UK's largest manufacturers of plastic milk bottles, process waste handling is an integrated part of the production. With an output of approximately 2.5 million milk bottles per week, Tetra Pak has considerably increased raw material utilization by reusing their process waste. Kongskilde inline Venturi systems pick up the tops and tails from each production line and convey them back to a granulator. From here, the processed material is reintroduced into the molding process. The inline Venturi system gently conveys materials with low density, odd shapes or continuous lengths over long distances. Using a Venturi system means low maintenance and minimal risk of blockage. To avoid production stops and to free manpower, Kongskilde also handles the bottle rejects. Whenever rejects are detected, a suction system is activated and the scrap bottles are picked up until production is normalized. British Polythene Industries manufacture around 95% of the UK's consumer carrier bags at various locations. At Alida Packaging, punch-outs from the plastic bags are recycled, so material contamination must be avoided. Kongskilde, therefore, conveys the punch-outs to dedicated outside containers. Today, many car parts are made of plastic. Walbro Automotive Corporation manufactures, among other things, plastic fuel tanks for cars. For every fuel tank produced, 40% of the material is scrap. However, Walbro is able to reuse this material because of their Kongskilde aspirator system on each production line. The scrap is thrown into a granulator and the reprocessed material is conveyed to the aspirator. Here, the material falls through an upward-moving airstream which carries the lighter impurities out through the top outlet to a cyclone and a filter. The cleaned, reprocessed material is now reintroduced into the continuous molding process. Air cooling of the finished fuel tanks is also handled by Kongskilde. To avoid deformation of the fuel tanks after the molding process, the fuel tanks are given a full cooling cycle before further handling and storage. Graham packaging uses the Kongskilde pneumatic conveying equipment for the handling of tops and tails from the production of oil bottles. At Graham Packaging, Kongskilde is updating the old waste handling systems, one at a time, to free floor space and improve efficiency. One of the world's largest PET recycling companies uses a number of Kongskilde aspirator systems. Large batches of mixed plastic bottles are granulated and the label fragments are cleaned out from the material. Then, the processed material is color separated. Finally, the PET is reclaimed and used for new products, for example as polyester in clothes. The Kongskilde trim handling systems are widely used in the packaging industry. In Italy, for example, Kongskilde multi-cutter systems handle continuous edge trim from film converting machines. The edge trim is picked up and conveyed to the inline multi-cutter, where it's cut into small pieces. The pieces are conveyed to a storage building where they're discharged through a separator into a container. The Danish company Fibervisions produces plastic fiber pads for diapers. The pads are made up of numerous woven threads. Should one of the threads become mixed up during production, a Kongskilde pneumatic conveying system will pick up the thread until the connection is restored. The Kongskilde system is an integrated part of the main machinery and facilitates non-stop extrusion. With Kongskilde as your business partner, your company is guaranteed a high product quality and finish, the latest know-how on process waste handling, and Kongskilde sales offices only a phone call away. With Kongskilde, your company can turn waste handling into a viable business.